Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everybody to this lesson of Learn Arabic for Beginners. Please, if you are a complete beginner, try to listen to this series from the beginning. I will leave a link to the whole playlist of this series in the description below. So go and listen to the series from the beginning until this lesson. If you already have listened to this playlist, then continue with me. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to learn more of the nominal sentence. We studied before some nominal sentences, but in this lesson, we study more about the nominal sentences in Arabic. Here we have the word baytun, a house, and al-baytu, the house. And we said before, Bayton is indefinite. That's why we have the tanween, the extra N sound at the end. But here, because we have the particle al, which means the, we don't need the tanween. So we say al-baytu, not al-baytun. Okay, so here we have baytun, al-baytu, qalamun, a pen, القلم the pen كتاب a book الكتاب the book جمل camel الجمل the camel. Let's read these sentences and translate them. القلم مكسور, the pen is broken. الباب مفتوح, the door is open. الولد جالس, the boy is sitting. والمدرس واقف, and the teacher is standing. الكتاب جديد والقلم قديم. The book is new and the pen is old. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. The donkey is small and the horse is big. الكرسي مكسور, the chair is broken. الماء بارد, the water is cold. القمر جميل, the moon is beautiful. البيت قريب, the house is close. والمسجد بعيد, and the mosque is far away. الحجر ثقيل, the rock is heavy. والورق خفيف, and the paper is light. اللبن حار, the milk is hot. القميص نظيف, the shirt is clean. تمارين. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. مسجد, المسجد. So here we said masjidun because it's indefinite, and here we say al-masjidu because it has al. الماء ماء البيت باب قلم القلم الكلب كلب قميص ولد الحجر الولد حمار الحمار الحصان حصان. اقرأ واكتب. So here we have more of nominal sentences. واحد المكتب مكسور. The desk is broken. اثنان المدرس جديد. The teacher is new. ثلاثة القميص وسخ. The shirt is dirty. أربعة اللبن بارد. The milk is cold. خمسة المسجد مفتوح. The mosque is open. ستة الحجر كبير. The stone is big. سبعة اللبن بارد. The milk is cold. والماء حار. And the water is hot. ثمانية المهندس جالس والمدرس واقف. The engineer is sitting and the teacher is standing. القمر بعيد. The moon is far away. عشرة المنديل نظيف. The handkerchief is clean. Here we have some words and we have to choose to fill the blanks. واحد. Yeah, let's read the words first and translate them. جميل, beautiful. وسخ, dirty. مفتوح, open. حار, hot. ثقيل, heavy. خفيف, light. واحد الحجر ثقيل. The stone is heavy. اثنان الباب مفتوح. The door is open. ثلاثة القمر جميل. The moon is beautiful. أربعة الورق خفيف. The paper is light. خمسة المنديل وسخ. The handkerchief is dirty. ستة اللبن حار. The milk is hot. In this exercise also we need to fill the blanks. So we need to choose words from our mind. واحد نظيف. نظيف means clean. So we can say القميص نظيف. The shirt is clean. اثنان مكسور الكرسي مكسور. The chair is broken. ثلاثة بارد الماء بارد. The water is cold. أربعة قريب near or close. البيت قريب. خمسة بعيد far away. المسجد بعيد. ستة واقف المدرس واقف. The teacher is standing. سبعة جالس الطالب جالس. The student is sitting. ثمانية كبير الحصان كبير. The horse is big. تسعة قديم البيت قديم. The house is old. عشرة جديد الكتاب جديد. The book is new. Okay, so we stop here and stay tuned to our next lesson. And please share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel and give us a like. We appreciate that and see you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.